Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Here are some steps you can try to fix speaker issues on iOS 17. So first is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches that may be causing the speaker issue. So for restarting your iPhone, just simply tap on settings here. Here you can see general, tap on it and scroll up and now you can see shutdown, tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After slide to power off, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on to fix your speaker problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is check your volume settings. Make sure that the ringer and the alerts volume is turned up and that the mute switches is turned on. So firstly you can check it and now you can see silent mode is turned on, turn it off to fix your speaker problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is disconnect any Bluetooth device. If you have any Bluetooth device connecting to your iPhone such as a headset or speaker, try disconnecting them and see if the fixes the speaker issue. So tap on settings here. Here you can see Bluetooth, tap on it and turn it off to fix your speaker problem. So go back and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another. Another is clean the speaker grill. If the speaker grill is clogged with dust or debris, it can block the sound from coming out. Use a soft brush to gently clean the speaker grill and fix your problem. So guys, if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is update your iPhone software. Make sure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, just simply tap on settings here. Here you can tap on general and now you can see software update, tap on it. Here you can see checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another. Another is reset your iPhone settings. So just simply tap on settings here. Here you can see general and now you can scroll up and now you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset and here you can see reset all settings. Tap on it, enter your passcode. Now you can see reset all settings, it popping up. Reset all settings and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then you contact applesupport.com to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.